utensils. Okay. Boy, this has been a fast and furious show, so we can just say thank you for hanging with us. That's what I'm going to say. Oh, thank you so much. All right, so let me see. Oh, okay, so we're going to talk about the Taste of Home, Temp-tations Holiday Cookbook. Tara, you collaborated with Taste of Home.
Mm-hmm.
Over 200 recipes, beautiful colors. If you want to get anything in this and pair this back with the cookbook, please do. $17.95. It's 5 easy payments of $3.59. And look at those super cute cookies.
I have to tell you, it was a really tough job. I got to go through all of the archives from Taste of Home and pick the recipes that I loved. They made them, I got to eat them, and we put them in the Temp-tations dishes. I mean, it was like a dream come true. But we had so much fun doing this. There's appetizers, there's dinners, there's desserts. What I love is the layout. You have brilliantly put together all the easy steps that are here. We have roasted cauliflower, Brussels sprouts with bacon.
I was just seeing that one. That is
Isn't
awesome.
that awesome? I always give a tidbit at the bottom. Maybe it's something to make it healthier. Maybe it's something to add a different twist or a different flavor. Maybe it's a seasonal fruit that I want you to add. So it's really great. It's kind of taking all of their tried and true recipes that they've been using for years and years and making them for Temp-tations and always putting my special twist on these. So they're made in all of our baking dishes. It tells you at the top which baking dish to go ahead and use. So you've seen a bunch of 13x9s in our show, or 11x7s, or 8x8s. Everything you could possibly think of is all included in here.
You know, I'm just looking at this. This is from McConnellsville, Ohio. Actually, she says, this big batch recipe is one of my favorite holiday side dishes, and it's economical too. No matter where you are in the country, your guests will appreciate a taste of the South. And that's something else that I really, just kind of going back to your idea of like, being able to say which dishes these go with. I am not a big batch cook because I've just got, it's Jim and I and Isabella.
Right.
And we don't do a lot of big sort of things. So I appreciate this to know even how to bake something that big. Like, that's awesome.
Exactly. I love that. And I love that they're customer recipes that Taste of Home has adapted. It's kind of like this amazing collaboration where home cooks send in great recipes, they test them, we get them, I get to try them, we put our spin on it, we show you the loaf pan to go ahead and make it in. If you picked up that set we were just showing you, these are your traditional loaf pans. So how incredible to have that sparkling cider pound cake or your pumpkin spice cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Please.
And here's another quote I just love too. This one is on the Easy and Elegant Tenderloin Roast. Here's a great tip. A friend of mine served this roast several years ago and passed on the recipe to me. The trick is not to skimp on garlic and salt.
You should never skimp on garlic and salt ever.
That's true. And that one actually is from Mary Candell, Huron, Ohio.
And then look at how sweet this is. This is that, now we adapted it to make it in that 8-quart bowl, because who doesn't want an 8-quart snow globe cake? I do. But look how sweet that is. So whether that's your tradition, each holiday, we always had a beautiful holiday cake that we used. And again, I share the memories throughout this book. This truly is from our home to yours, from home cooks all across the country, sharing their recipes and the love of them and putting them in these beautiful stoneware bakeware pieces.
I also want to mention this if you're wondering about this thing. This is a holiday metal spoon rest for $19.97. It is clearance price, so we're saying goodbye to it, but 5 easy pay of $3.99 on that. K44514 is your item number there. Tara, thank you. That was super fast and furious.
I wish I could feed you more.
I do too.
But I know you have to go.
I'm very glad you cannot feed me more, because this is not good to be in shows like this. Anyway, it's all too good. Stay with me. Judith Ribka, 2-hour show. Her daughter-in-law, Allison, is with me. A beautiful QVC 2 big deal coming your way. We're all wearing it. And we'll be back in 2 seconds, so hang with us. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.